here we go. See how it's like idling better? I unplugged the brake booster. Oh, it's going rough again. But here, I'll plug it back in. Something's clogged for the emissions. That's the way I see it here. Still misfiring though. Yeah, got low gas too. But, I mean, it doesn't smell as bad. I mean, it was dumping gas before. This isn't as bad as before, but you can definitely smell it in the exhaust. I tested all the injectors. Every single injector is spraying. Nothing stuck open. None of, like, neither bank is stuck open. I replaced all the coils. I replaced all the spark plugs. I replaced the throttle body. And it's the electric throttle body. So I thought, like, oh, I can just replace the throttle positioning sensor. Well, it's inside. And then, oh, I can replace the IAC. It's all attached to the throttle body. So I replaced the throttle body. I replaced the map sensor. I replaced the crankshaft sensor and the camshaft sensor there. What else? New air filter. New PCV valve. I checked the no, this isn't purge flow. This is evap. Is it evap? I don't know if you can see that. Can you even see that thing? There it is. It's a canister.